This Rose Realty property video is presented by Nathan Johnson. Charming home centrally located on cul-de-sac. Lots of updates throughout, including newer flooring and replacement windows. Newer dishwasher. Full and finished basement with space that could be used for third bedroom bonus room. 2-car detached garage. Fenced backyard. Call today for your showing of this amazing home. For more information, review the details below or contact Nathan Johnson at 270-926-4203.